Hi there, my name is Lise Crabtree and welcome to my channel, your go-to source for all things sensitive skin. Today I'm going to show you or tell you, share with you how to use an oil cleanser or a cleansing oil. I know that it can be a little bit intimidating if you've never done oil cleansing, but the truth is it's very similar to cleansing with any other cleanser, and is actually so much gentler. It removes makeup, eliminates the need for makeup remover, and is just the best for all skin types. So how to use an oil cleanser. You're gonna start by taking a few pumps of your oil cleanser on dry hands and then applying it to dry skin. So you're just gonna be massaging your oil into dry skin, and what's happening at this time is you're just dissolving any dirt and grime, you're dissolving all your makeup. Oil cleansers work beautifully for removing makeup, and you're also stimulating circulation beneath the surface of your skin, helping to remove gunk from your pores. And so you're just gonna do that for 30 seconds to a minute and just massage the oil cleanser into dry skin. Then you're going to do what you would with any other cleanser, and that is you're gonna rinse it off. So as long as you're using a rinsable oil cleanser, which is my preference, that is what we offer at Wabi-Sabi Botanicals. We have the Giver Illuminative Cleansing Oil, which is one step. It works just like cleansers you're used to. It rinses off, no problem. And so the only difference is you apply it to dry skin instead of wet skin or damp skin like you would maybe other types of cleansers. So that's really it. It's that simple. Massage into skin, dry skin for 30 seconds to a minute, and then rinse clean with water and pat your skin dry and keep it moving. So I hope you have found this helpful. Do not be intimidated by oil cleansing at all. It really is the best and it's so easy. And yeah, if you've liked this video, go ahead and give it a like. Hit subscribe for the latest and greatest, and I will see you in the next video.